Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, swatch and review and tutorial, I am featuring the product Style Eyes Liquid Eyeliner by the brand Flower Beauty. You can find this at Walmart, at Ulta. I purchased it at Ulta, but it is also available on their website, flowerbeauty.com. Retails for $9 for 0.08 ounces, and this is the shade Onyx. There are 3 different shades. There's Liquid Smoke and Espresso Ink. But again, I chose the shade Onyx, which is a very pigmented, very black shade. And what I love about these eyeliners, or this eyeliner in particular, is that it is an all-day wear, water-resistant eyeliner. And it definitely has a different kind of tip that I've never ever seen. It's very innovative, it's flexible, and I love that they actually do on their website have a really great how to use section for beginners. So this is what I am doing in my tutorial. It's very thin, it's very Asian eye friendly, and I would say it's way more sharp and thin than I'm used to, but I just wanted to play with the liner today in this style and see how precise and straight I can make my cat eye. So I also want to mention that this is my very first Flower Beauty experiment or makeup product that I've ever used, and I'm very impressed with it. I've been using it in a lot of the looks that I've been posting on Instagram lately, so if you want to take a look and check those out, go ahead and look in the description box down below for my Instagram handle, which is the same name for most of my handles. But yes, it's definitely all day wear and water resistant, so I really have been enjoying this $9 eyeliner. So hope this helped you out, guys. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. If you have Asian eyes, if you just want to see what the product looks like up close. And I will see you guys all next time in my next video. Bye, guys.